Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga khat khandai terik Kuala Lengkot ulalu me kejingelang bat ki menteri sarkar banekran bat pleu jingmut akabedai bat gejing pen krek banawan menteri ke sarkar pedeng ubak khmi ya kakam korbari wa Amit Shah haga nong ba shlong haga arkulai terik Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Preston Tun Song ulong bau Amit Shah unwan yashim bentah haga jingelang ke ban penlong da ke North Eastern Council bat hadin kene kan sedang kejing kenduk ke bakerpang ke sarkar MDA yu Amit Shah banekran haga baidai bat kejing dawa penterika mek line permit bat ban kentut ke tian kasi bat garo haga 8th schedule jongkar iti sencari ulong ba ke sarkar kan persang bantau kilat ban ailat kinong ngelam seng balang Kejela bani kenduk Amit Shah Uba Preston Tensong ulong bahagian negesi ke bawah Amit Shah unwan hakanong ba asyelong ke sarkar kelapar kerek ban penjor ya kejing pahara hakeleng kejaka.
It is confirmed the Honorable Union Home Minister will come. He'll be reaching here in Shillong by 10 o'clock, around 10 o'clock, and then the session will start at around 11 o'clock, and thereafter he'll go back to Guwahati. He will not stay overnight over here, and then he'll go back to Guwahati in the afternoon after the meeting is over, and we will be meeting him. So we already sought an appointment, so we don't know yet what time he will be given us the meeting time. Well, the major issues is the pending issues like resolution on ILP. Then the next is about the 8th schedule, then the 6th schedule, and then about the even the long pending interstate issue that also will flag off to the Honorable Union Minister on the 23rd of this month. Officially, I think we have received few applications from the NGO side, and now arrangement is being made for appointment of the NGOs with the Honorable Union Minister.
The delegation of the government will be with respect to cabinet ministers?
Cabinet, yeah. MDA government by the cabinet ministers.